Hey guys, I made cardboard cutouts of Paw Patrol, Skye and Everest for my niece's 3rd birthday, and I thought I'd share my process. I got my cardboard from Costco for free. Then I looked online for coloring book versions of Skye and Everest so that the images would be in outline versions. After I added my images to the cardboard, I cut them out with an x-acto. For Skye, I used the colors black, white, fuchsia, golden brown, metallic silver, and lime green for the grass. I painted the outline black. I mixed pink with white to lighten its shade. I mixed the paint in a plastic container with a lid in case I wanted to continue painting the next day. That way I didn't need to match the color to the exact shade. I also mixed golden brown with white to get Skye's multiple shades of brown. For Everest, I used black, white, metallic silver, lime green, velvet teal, Tahiti blue, deep lilac, and bittersweet orange. I made 2 small circles in her eyes because I wasn't sure what direction I wanted her to look. After I decided, I started painting. Then I realized she had no lashes on the bottom of her eyes, so I covered them up. Next, I made my stands. I have a tutorial on how to create cardboard cutout stands, which is linked in the description. I glued the stands to the back of my cutouts. And here's how they turned out.